Meditation has become increasingly popular, and for good reason. Daily meditation practices can lead to numerous benefits for both the mind and body. Firstly, meditation helps reduce stress. By taking just a few minutes each day to focus on your breath or a mantra, you can lower cortisol levels, leading to a calmer state of mind. Secondly, it enhances emotional well-being. Regular meditation can increase self-awareness and promote a more positive outlook on life. You may find yourself more resilient to challenges and better equipped to handle negative emotions. Additionally, meditation improves concentration and focus. Studies have shown that those who meditate regularly can maintain attention for longer periods and process information more efficiently. This is particularly beneficial in our fast-paced world, where distractions are everywhere. Another significant benefit is improved sleep quality. Engaging in meditation before bedtime can help calm the mind, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. This can lead to a more refreshed and energized feeling upon waking. Finally, meditation fosters a sense of connection and compassion. Many practices encourage loving kindness, which can enhance relationships and promote a sense of community. In conclusion, incorporating daily meditation into your routine can offer remarkable benefits, from reducing stress to improving focus and enhancing overall well-being. Why not give it a try?